In this video, we will demonstrate the FARO Laser Tracker features included with ActiveSeek. ActiveSeek capabilities of FindMe and FollowMe increases the efficiency of laser tracker operations by mitigating time lost from the laser identifying and finding the target, as well as from losing the laser when walking behind objects and obstructions. FollowMe and FindMe are both on by default but can be turned off. Both FindMe and FollowMe are accessed from the main menu of the laser tracker. Navigate to the device's control panel. From the FARO device control menu, select Tracker Pad. From the Tracker Pad menu, FindMe can be toggled on and off using the tool within the menu. FollowMe is also accessed through the Tracker Pad menu by selecting Follow Me Settings. In the option menu, the Follow Me feature can be turned on or off using the radio buttons. The search radius can also be updated by typing in the distance preferences. The default search range is 20 meters. With Follow Me active, the laser tracker will continue to track the individual with cameras if the beam is lost, reconnecting automatically to the SMR when it reappears. Notice the color of the light changes from green, an uninterrupted beam, to yellow, signaling a loss of beam, and back to green as the laser tracker reacquires a steady connection. Once the connection is restored, the user can take a measurement at the next point. Follow Me allows the user to move from one location to the next without fear that the laser will be disconnected or separated from the target. FindMe is used most commonly in multi-SMR environments. This feature allows the user to easily call the laser tracker back when it locks on to the wrong SMR. In such environments, a laser lost as the user moves behind a pole may reacquire the incorrect SMR. You can call the beam back to the correct location by moving the correct SMR from side to side a few feet at an even pace. The blue light indicates FindMe has found a target. When you see the blue light, hold the SMR still and the laser tracker will correct the beam and reacquire the correct target. Once the lights turn green, the laser tracker has locked onto the target once again. Rather than search for the beam, FindMe makes the tracker find you. With the ActiveSeek features, the laser tracker can now locate a target that was lost and follow it between measurement sites, making measurement easy and adaptable to any job site or navigate obstructions that may otherwise create issues.